Hello students, welcome back to 2D video game design. Today we will be dealing with the idea of creating a delay, and in doing that we will talk about the idea of coroutines. So the first thing that I want to do is, if I go into my game, we have the ability to shoot right now. And right now my player's ability to shoot is based on how fast I can hit the spacebar. So I can sit here and I can just mash on this spacebar as fast as I can. And that's definitely a game mechanic that can be used. However, there can be a point where you want to slow that down. And then maybe you want to add a power-up that'll increase that attack speed. But for right now, I want to control that. So first of all, let's get into our player controller script. And I'm going to create this spot right here. Little comment. Variables for shooting. And first I'm going to have a public float attack speed. And for right now, I'm going to say 3. Now what this means is that I want there to be a 3-second delay in between shots. That's a lot, and the reason that I want that right now is because I want to be able to see it. I can go back and adjust it later, but I would have a lot of trouble telling the difference between 0.1 seconds and 0.3 seconds. So the other thing is I want a private bool. Remember, bools are true or false. And I'm going to call that can shoot. And right now, can shoot is true. Okay, so I want to go to where I shoot. Okay, so right here, I have this spot where if the direction's right, then set the offset. If it's left, set the different offset, and then instantiate the bullet. So right here, I want to change this to if input.get key down key code space. This means if I'm pressing the space bar, I want to add another condition on there, and can shoot. So this means if can shoot is true. So if I'm pressing the spacebar and I can shoot, then go ahead and do this. And then the first thing that should happen here is, as soon as I do this, can shoot should turn false. So I want to make it now if I fire, the first time I fire, it changes can shoot to false. And now what I want to do is make it so after a short amount of time, can shoot turns back true. So in order to do that, in order to create a time delay, I'm going to push Control S to save it. I'm going to create something called a coroutine. Now a coroutine is another function, and it's going to run at the same time as my update function. So what my coroutine function is going to do is wait for a few seconds, and then it's going to turn can shoot back true. So the return type for a coroutine is called IEnumerator. And then we'll name our function. I'm going to call this shoot delay. So for shoot delay, what I want to do is yield return a new wait for seconds. And then the wait for seconds method needs to know how many seconds I'm going to wait. I'm going to wait attack speed seconds. So I enumerator something that we don't really need to get into a whole lot. Yield returns means that it's going to go ahead and do this, and it's going to wait for all of this to happen before it returns. So this function right here is going to make it wait for this many seconds. And then after that, what I want to do is say can shoot is going to turn true. Now, I do need to call this coroutine here, and there's a little trick to that. So this shoot delay is going to slow down my shots, but I need to tell it when to run that function. So right here, can shoot is going to turn false. It's going to determine the direction. And then after that, it's going to instantiate the bullet. Once it instantiates the bullet, right here is we're going to include the attack delay. So in order to start a coroutine, we do just that. We type in start coroutine. Which coroutine are we going to start? We're going to start the shoot delay coroutine. And that should be it. So let's go back into Unity. We'll test this out. So I'm going to hit the spacebar to shoot. And I'm just hitting the spacebar as fast as I can right now. And you can see that I'm only firing about once every 3 seconds. Now, if that's the effect that you want, that's great. But now also I can go back into my hero. And since that was a public value, I can go over to hero and attack speed is 3. I want my attack speed to actually be something like 0.5. And so now let's play that again. Okay, so now even though I'm mashing on the keyboard, I've got bullets that are flying out, but they're doing so at a regular delayed pace.